Replacing your Kenmore inlet valve is definitely a good idea. Unfortunately, out of all the inlet valves in the industry, this is the most difficult one to replace. Why? The back of the inlet valve is a non-standard width. The standard width of a valve is a little bit larger. So you can't take a new basic valve or any valve and put it right into its place. If you want a project, and I mean quite a project, you could actually replace these valves. Once the valve is removed from the wall, you're going to see something like this, a metal plate. Your goal is to cut that metal plate and to get to the 90-degree turn in the back. Once you have access to that 90-degree turn, you have two options. One, you can cut the 90-degree right here at the collar, and then a brand new standard tight 90 will fit up and over that collar. If you could cut above the 90, you could use this gray adapter and this reducer to fit into the smaller Kenmore vacuum pipe. So there's two options there. But once you do have it done, you would then have a 90, and you would use our 517 backing plate. The 517 backing plate receives any of these basic valves, and we have them in ivory and almond and white, also in metal. You would take that, you would use the same low voltage wire and connect it to the contacts here, and you would put it into the valve, and you could put it in this way or that way so the door opens up or down, it doesn't matter. And then you have a nice clean looking valve in your wall. It doesn't start right away when you open it, which is also a benefit. There's two contacts inside, oh, they're on this side, I'll show you. There's two contacts inside the valve. When the metal band of the vacuum hose touches that, then the suction starts, and that's for the basic hose. You could also use a low voltage hose on this. You can use an electric hose. You can buy a new electric kit. There's a lot of options with these valves. And what's great is then you can have a switch on the end of the hose, and that will control the suction on and off. Really convenient for answering the phone, the doorbell, just turning the hose off whenever you want it. So if you want quite a project to do, try changing out these inlet valves for these new ones here.